Even during summer months, when most of us are on vacation, Atlassian is busy updating Jira Service Management for us. Stay tuned if you want to know what you might have missed this summer. Hello everyone, I'm Dennis from Venture, and today we're going to highlight the major changes that happened with JSM during June and July. Now, first one on our list is attachments are now available in Forms. With this update, Atlassian has enhanced the Forms functionality to include attachments. These attachments will appear both in the form itself for full context and under attachments in the portal and issue view with all other attachments for quick and easy access. Now, let's continue with the second major change. Embed request forms, portals, and articles into Confluence or Jira. Whatever you prefer to call it, your customers can now create requests right within it. By simply copying and pasting the URL of a request form, a portal page, or a knowledge base article, you can seamlessly embed them into a Confluence page or Jira issue. This means that customers or employees can raise requests, access help articles, or explore the portal without the need to navigate to the help center. Now let's move on to our next major change. A new unified authentication page for JSM Help Center. What does that mean? At JSM, customers often come with urgent needs or ad hoc requests. Dealing with login credentials at these critical moments can be frustrating. Introducing a new feature combining login and sign up into a single page for a smoother experience. No more hassle of separate logins and sign-ups. Get the support you need when you need it most. Our next major change is respond to your customers quickly with canned responses. This was previously solved with add-ons that enabled canned responses, but it is good to see it is available as a native functionality now. Agents and project admins can now create personal responses, saving valuable time by avoiding manual typing or copy-pasting repetitive replies. Additionally, admins can create shared responses that all agents in their projects can utilize. Well, you thought Atlassian has forgotten about SLAs, but Atlassian has released some changes on SLA start, stop, and pause conditions at last after a long hiatus. With these changes, you can now add start, stop, and pause conditions to your SLAs based on the due date field in your issues. You can also pause or continue your SLAs if your due date value is set or empty. Now, next one on the list, preview forms directly in request types configuration. This change is definitely one of our favorites as Jira Service Management administrators. And it's a double-sided coin because it is also reflected in your agent's view. So what does it do? With this change, you can now see if a request type is related to a form when configuring the request types form in project settings. This lets you directly see and understand which forms are being used and to quickly jump into that form to configure it. With this feature, Atlassian has also added a claimer in the global issue create screen to show when a request type has a form that is linked to it. That's it with the update for Jira Service Management. Have fun trying it out, and we'll see you at the next update.